Into inkinga lapha eThulu. Yazi phela mina ngiyathi i-foundation yalesitezi strong kanjani. Yabo lamathi la ngwangete la eceleni. Ngwangete kulamalanga. Ate ukhona ukuflasha lapha aflash ngoba nawu lapha eThulu uba nalenye view lo sobuka i-bathroom ukufuna ukuthi ngisethe nje kahle uyabona.
It fitted everything phume manje.
Yes. Yes. Lapho angathi noma kutakuvalela. Ngivanda kuvalela. Inayo lenkingi. Iyente lokhu yenta ama drops.
This is the toilet ke.
Ungagwabuli ke lapho. Ungagwabuli lutho lapho. Ngithi inkinga nami ngisenenkinga yale manje ufuna sengilungise kahle.
Ibhavu lakho le. Nalo likhiphe manje.
Konke phela. Yes.
Yakhanya nalapho. Kuyakhanya
ngalapha eThulu. Asibuye ngadlana asibuye ngadlana siyabona unenhlanhla manje athi akuhloniphile lamanti lapha ubuka akhonele lokuvaleka
usho sayani
kanjani hayi no ayenda lokhu sibese
manje ngibani plumber wakho uyathi plumbeni
yimi ngiplumbelayo excellent ngiplumbing
but kukahle kuvalekile
excellent lama but noma ngento ama drops akunankinga ngcono ama drops angizinamba nje isikhathi
lana kuse kitchen lapho la
yachaza ne
hayi
Amantu akhona ahlobile yabona mos.
Clean.
Amantu evula.
Clean.
Ayisabona ke na stepis.
This was Tatsikhulu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Also don't forget to smash the like button. Kunendlu leshendako lapha ku TikTok yababe utehlala nje ku double story yakhe unetimoto lapha naleti2 and people are making fun of the house and the cars but ngathi dema wrong turn. So into le abantu abaningi laba inotisile lapha kule ndlu manda yaphuma guys. Mina nje ngicabanga ukuthi lo wabelwana richer than most people because manda yaphuma ku right nje uhlalela kanankinga bakhombisa likhishi lakhe. Just people felt ukuthi indlo njena lengakajwayeleki and ayikhombisa ukuthi ngazuthi kuhlala abantu. So people were saying ukuthi hayi lengathi indlu ayamabhizuru. So guys, I don't think it's a good thing ukuthi sihleke emakhaya abantu. At least uhlala to double story phila kahle netimoto nje futhi ngaphandle. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.